Are you struggling to find resources for your child? Let me help you navigate our Twinkl South Africa website. First, make sure you're signed up for a Twinkl account. You won't be able to access resources until you're logged in. Remember that you can join for free as well. Next, head to the top of the page and click on the Parents tab in the navigation bar. Here you will find everything from assessments, tests and exams, fun educational games, our book BOMA, worksheets and activities for grade R to 6, and activities along with other fun learning resources. Simply click on the section you'd like to explore. Then you can choose the subject your child is working on. Now look on the left-hand side of the page. Select the grade you need from grade R all the way to grade 3 or to 6. Then pick a subcategory, also on the left. This helps narrow down the type of resource you're looking for. Some subcategories open up even more detailed sections. Don't hesitate to explore with a simple click. Have you gone too far? No problem. Just click the back arrow to return, or click and hold it to view your browsing history and jump back easily. And that's it. Finding the right Twinkl resource for your child has never been easier. Happy learning!